How to remove someone from my YouTube TV account. Welcome back to the channel. If you're sharing your YouTube TV account with others and need to remove someone, you've come to the right place. In today's tutorial, I'll walk you through the steps to easily remove someone from your YouTube TV account. Let's get started. First, open the YouTube TV app on your device or go to the YouTube TV website on your browser. Make sure you're logged into the account that you want to manage. Next, click on your profile icon located at the top right corner of the screen, and from the drop-down menu, select Settings to access your account settings. In the Settings menu, look for the Family Sharing option on the left sidebar. Click on it to see the list of family members who have access to your account, and here you'll see all the members linked to your YouTube TV account. To remove someone, click the Remove button next to their name. Confirm the option when prompted to ensure that you really want to remove this person from your account. After removing someone, they will no longer have access to your YouTube TV account. If they try to log in, they'll be notified that they have been removed. Make sure to inform them if necessary, especially if they were using the account regularly. And that's it. You've successfully removed someone from your YouTube TV account. If this tutorial was helpful, don't forget to like, and thanks for watching.